Creating a Personal Budget, a step-by-step guide. Good day, laughers. Today, we are going to learn one of the most crucial aspects of personal finance, creating a personal budget. A budget is a fundamental tool that helps you manage your money effectively, allowing you to track your income and expenses, save for future needs, and achieve your financial goals. Why is budgeting important? Here are the reasons. 1. Control your finances. A budget helps you take control of your money, ensuring that you are not spending more than you earn. 2. Achieve financial goals. Whether it's saving for a vacation, buying a home, or retiring comfortably, a budget helps you allocate funds towards these goals. 3. Reduce financial stress. Knowing where your money is going and having a plan reduces anxiety about finances. 4. Improve spending habits. Tracking expenses helps identify areas where you can cut back and save more. Step-by-step guide to creating a personal budget. Step 1. Calculate your income. Determine total monthly income. This includes your salary after taxes, freelance or side gig earnings, and any other sources of income. Make sure to use your net income after taxes for accuracy. Example: salary, $3,000. Freelance work, $500. Other income, $200. Total monthly income, $3,700. Step 2. List your expenses. Fixed expenses. These are regular, recurring expenses that don't change much from month to month. Examples include rent, mortgage, utilities, insurance, and loan payments. Example: rent, utilities, $150. Insurance, $200. Loan payments, $300. Total fixed expenses, $1,006. Variable expenses. These monthly expenses, such as groceries, dining out, entertainment, transportation, and personal care, can vary. Example: groceries, $400. Dining out, $150. Entertainment, $100. Transportation, $200. Personal care, $50. Total variable expenses. Step 3. Track your spending. For 1 month, track every expense you incur. You can use apps, spreadsheets, or even a simple notebook. This will give you a clear picture of your spending habits and help you identify areas where you can cut back. Tools for tracking. Apps: Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, Pocket Guard. Spreadsheets: Google Sheets, Excel templates. Notebook: keep a daily log of expenses. Step 4. Compare income and expenses. Now, compare your total expenses to your total income. This will show you if you're living within your means, overspending, or have room for savings. Example calculation: total monthly income, $3,700. Total fixed expenses, $1,650. Total variable expenses, $900. Total expenses, $2,550. Surplus, $1,150. Income: adjusting your budget. If you find that you are spending more than you earn, or if you want to increase your savings, it's time to make adjustments. Cutting back on variable expenses. Dining out: limit to once a week and cook more at home. Subscriptions: cancel any unnecessary subscriptions or memberships. Entertainment: opt for free or low-cost activities. Increasing your income: part-time job or freelance work. Consider taking on additional work. Selling unneeded items: clear out clutter and make extra money. Negotiating a raise: ask for a raise at your current job or seek higher-paying opportunities. Setting financial goals. A budget isn't just about cutting back, it's also about planning for the future. Set smart financial goals. Specific: clearly define your goal, e.g. save $5,000 for an emergency fund. Measurable: track your progress, e.g. save $500 a month. Achievable: set realistic goals, e.g. based on your income and expenses. Relevant: ensure your goal aligns with your financial priorities, e.g. importance of an emergency fund. Time-bound: set a deadline to achieve your goal, e.g. within 10 months, maintaining and reviewing your budget. A budget is not a set-it-and-forget-it tool. Regularly review and adjust it as your financial situation changes. Monthly review: compare actual spending to your budget and make necessary adjustments. Annual review: reevaluate your financial goals and overall budget. Conclusion: creating a personal budget is a crucial step towards achieving financial freedom. By understanding your income and expenses, setting realistic goals, and regularly reviewing your budget, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial dreams. Don't forget to apply these principles to your own financial life and watch your financial health improve. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more personal finance tips and investment advice. See you in the next video.